Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this here. This is a snap tee and I'm going to show you guys what this is and why you would use it. It's like for if you had surgery or you have some shoulder issues or something like that and you need to you need help holding things on. I don't know what all these straps are. I think it's because for women they like to hang things up like this or something. I don't know. But here, I'll put it on and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. It's very snap friendly. I'm going to try it on over my shirt just because my microphone's on. But so the idea, so this is a large one. You can get them in different sizes. But okay, so here's the idea. I have it on, but if I'm having something done on my arm, look at that. You got a snap. You can snap this off. If you're having something done down here, some other work done, you can snap that off. So it's got all these different snaps and pieces and parts, so you can open it up so it's easy access for things. So it's nice. So if you know you're going in for some surgery or getting some work done or something or whatever it is, and you know you're going to have to open up part of your shirt, you could always just wear this to it and it'll be nice and easy access, and it doesn't look too goofy or anything like that. I mean, you can see a little bit of it. It's just not snapped all the way. Once all the snaps are closed, it'll looks a little more put together. But kind of a cool idea. So if you do know you're going in for something and you want to be able to wear your clothes through it, this is the way to do it. So I like it. Thumbs up.